Essential Newborn Complaints and Concerns, episode 23. Today we have a very supportive father Vijay and a very sweet mother Hemlata. Manto Patu Ivala, they have a very simple and very unique question. So, will baby night time ఎక్కువ ఏడుస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో హేమలత గారు మీ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటండి?
బేబీ నైట్ టైం బాగా ఏడుస్తున్నారు సార్, ఫీడింగ్ సరిపోవట్లేదేమో.
ఓకే. సో వీళ్ళ డౌట్ ఏంటంటే బేబీస్ ఎక్కువ నైట్ టైం ఏడుస్తుంటారు అండ్ మదర్ అనుకునేది ఏంటంటే ఫీడింగ్ సరిపోవట్లేమని. సో బికాస్ బేబీస్ క్రైంగ్ ఎక్సెసివ్లీ, మదర్స్ థింక్ దట్ baby is not fed completely or properly or inadequately. Baby is fed inadequately. And as you can see, mana supportive father Vijay garu ilagandi seat to elbow dagra, head neck dagra, burping కింద నుంచి పైకి cup of the hand 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. He is so comfortably settled on father's hold. So this is the best way to do burping, and as you can see, so these are typical hiccups in a baby, okay, and as you can see, that sound is also sound of aerophagia, ante air in the tummy. So this is the best way to sort out the air in the tummy. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 ila babies have to be burped. This is called burping. Burping should be done for 30-60 minutes depending on your baby and your mother's comfort, okay? But if the baby is having hiccups like this, that means burping is still required, and keep doing it. Other way to do is by pressing the legs on the tummy. ఈ సపోర్ట్ ఉందమ్మా లేదా లేదా ఉంది బయట. సో hold the legs like this, press it like this. Sorry. He's not comfortable on this table. Now he's comfortable. Yeah. So just touching the legs onto tummy. If we keep doing like this, baby will eventually pass gas through farting or through burping. Either burp and ekkuda vastayi lekapothe bomb ani vastaru. So you can do this for almost 10 minutes after every feed. Okay. They love this exercise and they are very happy when we do this. Okay. Make sure you don't press the tummy too hard. Okay. Yeah. Thank you baby. Thank you so much baby. So this is the solution for excessive hiccups. Akshara, as the supportive father Vijay sir is doing, the same way one has to do very good burping to a baby. I have always told in the previous episodes also, successful essential newborn care involves both mother and father. Fathers and family members support tone mother comfortable lactation cheyagalaru. Without the family support, mother will and baby will always be under stress. Okay, so that's the first answer for your question, why babies have hiccups and why they cry after they feed. Now second question, why babies cry more at night? So two things only. Babies crying, is it problematic or physiological? We have to understand whether it's problematic or normal, physiological. Babies cry for 6 reasons. Babies cry. The secret or the science behind babies cry. Why do babies cry? Why do babies cry? Hungry. The first reason is babies are hungry. So after a feed, after a half feed, some babies sleep by 10 minutes. Me baby answer for
5 minutes.
So their baby is sleeping after 5 minutes. So when babies sleep after 5 minutes, of course they are not fully fed. So they wake up and they start screaming. Yeah. So this can continue for multiple feeds, like 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 feeds, or single feed of 20-30 minutes. Both are okay. Okay? So if they wake up after 10 minutes, again cry, again you feed them. That's all right. Okay? Second reason for excessive feeding is, excessive crying is, when they fall asleep, when they're fully fed and you're not letting them sleep, they'll keep crying. That means they want lights to be off, they want noise to be off. First reason for babies crying is hungry. Second is sleepiness. Third is gas. So now you have fed the baby well, now the baby is slept well also, and gas was taken care. Babies again crying. Why do babies cry after this? Okay, babies cry because their bladder is full or poo is full. It's a new feeling for them. They'll cry. They'll pee, they'll poo, and they'll feel relaxed. So before peeing and before pooing, so మోషన్ వెళ్ళే ముందు పాస్కి వెళ్ళే ముందు బాగా ఏడుస్తారండి. కొత్త ఫీలింగ్ కదా, ఇది అయిపోతుంది అనుకుంటారు, కొత్తమంది అయిపోతుంది అనుకుని బాగా ఏడుస్తారు. సో ద ఫోర్త్ రీజన్ ఇస్ బిఫోర్ పీ అండ్ బిఫోర్ పూ. Okay, now they have peed and poo also. Then also they will start crying. Why they are crying?
They didn't change the diaper.
So soiling, diaper. They will scream and tell you that you have changed the diaper. Okay? So that's one fifth reason. So now they have fed well, burped well, slept well, peed well, pooed well, and they have cleaned them also. Again they start crying. Why they will cry?
No idea.
Amma and piluddam antaru. They want to call Amma. How will they call? They can't know. So they will call and they'll say. That means mother has to come and hold them. Okay? Mummy comes. Then also they start crying. Why will they cry? Why will they cry now? They want daddy, mummy, yeah. But why they cry after coming is bore ko telustharu. They are bored, no? Only feeding, sleeping. They will feed, they'll sleep, now they'll wake up, they'll see here and there. They'll start crying. That means you have to hold them, you have to rock them, you have to take them around. So, moving around. Different sounds, lullabies, songs, sings, even they are like very happy with that. So you have to talk to them, you have to sing to them. Okay, so boredom, which is more at night, they will really feel bored up and they want, చూసారు పిల్లలు ఎత్తుకే తిప్పుతూ ఉంటే బాగా సెటిల్ అవుతారు. You will notice when you rock them at nights and take them around, okay. My son, who is now 1 year, he will wake up at night and if you sit and do like this, they'll cry. But if you walk around, they are happy. So when they feel bored, when they want to move around, when they want to listen to new songs, talk to new people, then they will start crying. So the 6 reasons for crying. First, hungry. Second is sleepiness. Third is gas. Fourth is before pee and after poo. Fifth is they want to call you. Sixth is they are bored. There is a 7th reason, important reason why babies cry at night. In our previous episode also we have told them. Babies, when they feed at night and temperatures are cold, they have cold distress. Cold distress creates discomfort in the tummy and pain in the tummy. And this is more pronounced at nights. Night అయినప్పుడు టెంపరేచర్ బాగా తగ్గి కోల్డ్ డిస్ట్రెస్ వల్ల పేగులు నొప్పెడతాయండి, అనీజీగా ఉంటుంది. అందుకే బేబీస్ క్రై అ లాట్ ఎట్ నైట్. దిస్ కాల్డ్ ఈవినింగ్ కొలిక్. ఓకే, the best way to solve evening colic is not by drops and it's by putting the baby on skin to skin, just like father is putting a baby without t-shirt with diaper. You have to put the baby on you. Okay, so ala chaste your temperature is 37, baby is 37. This is the warmest surface for the baby, mother gani, father gani, other family members gani. So all the family members can do this skin to skin kangaroo mother care. We have mentioned our previous episode also. Along with night anta, the whole night you can keep baby on your skin to skin, and that will solve the problem of cold distress, evening colic, and excessive crankiness at night. Babies who have been nurtured on skin to skin bonding, they have had far less episodes of nighttime screams and nighttime cries. This is very important. Underline this. Babies who sleep on the beds or on the couches will have more crankiness and more crying episodes compared to babies who have been nurtured on the skin to skin kangaroo mother care technique. అదేనండి, బేబీని మన స్కిన్తో వెచ్చగా ఉంచితే వాళ్ళ పేగులు, వాళ్ళ డైజెషన్, వాళ్ళ హ్యాపీనెస్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందండి, అండ్ దే వోంట్ క్రై సో మచ్. సో టుడే వి నో ద రీజన్ ఫర్ ఎక్సెసివ్ క్రై ఫర్ బేబీ అట్ నైట్. మీ కేసులోని బోర్ కొట్టి ఏడుస్తున్నారు అండ్ hungry because they are sleeping after 10 minutes, they are getting hungry and they are crying. And as I said, cold stress. మీరు చూసా కదా, బేబీ చల్లగా ఉంది కదా, దిస్ ఇస్ కోల్డ్ స్ట్రెస్. ఇది వేడిగా ఉంది చూడండి, టచ్ దిస్, దిస్ ఇస్ హాట్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ కోల్డ్. ద బెస్ట్ వే టు ఐడెంటిఫై కోల్డ్ స్ట్రెస్ ఇస్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఆర్ కోల్డర్ దాన్ ద బాడీ. ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ దేర్, baby is in cold stress. ఇప్పుడు మీ బేబీ కోల్డ్ స్ట్రెస్ లో ఉన్నారు, and that cold stress will lead to discomfort and they'll keep crying. హ్యాపీగా పడుకుంటారు. Please give a big hand. Vijay garu has been successful in making a baby sleep and hiccups కూడా తగ్గిపోయాయి కదా. మీరు చేసిన బర్పింగ్ కి hiccups కూడా తగ్గిపోయాయి కదా. Well done. I am really proud of you, Mr. Vijay. We have a very supportive and sweet father, Vijay garu. You are very lucky, madam. చెప్తుంటారు అందరూ. Thank you so much for the joining us.